So here we have our large tub of soaked cob, and we have a new bag of alfalfa. We're gonna open this up, and luckily on all these new bags, which we'll be growing all of our stuff this year, wasn't able to last year. These bags have these easy open tabs on them, which is super nice. We'll add the alfalfa in. Several scoops. Okay, so we have the cob here. We're gonna grab this outside here. Okay. Grab a scoop or two here. Just kind of smooth that out so it can be allowed to soak up all the water. Now we'll take this over and hang it probably so that Stella gets all of it. Come here, Stella. And Stella's doing a lot better. She was sick for a while there, and she's doing really good now. She's starting to eat a bit more, gained some weight on because she lost quite a bit. Yeah, she's still got a little bit of a cough. The white one here, that's Rosie. She's gonna have a baby. Here's the dad, Buck. Hey, Buck. He's needs some work on being more friendly. He's a little skittish. It's kind of always like that. And Juniper, she's gonna be having babies soon too. So that'll be super exciting. Probably have 2 each, so we'll have 6 little baby kids running around here pretty quick, which will be really, really awesome. This is Spruce. Stella stepped on his foot by accident, and yeah. Okay. It's still, he's limping a little bit still on it, probably a bit sore. Okay, so we put Clover and the babies in here because there's a ton of hay. There's Clover. She turned out to be a really good mom. So they're both girls, and the one has the pattern of Buck, which is the dad, and the other has the pattern of the mom, just different color. So the gray one has very similar colors to Clover, but just a little bit different, or should I say similar markings, but different color. And the brown one takes after Buck. Trying to give Clover and the babies some time, a couple days, just for her to mother them up and get used to each other before we start handling too much people, because everybody wants to come see the baby goats. But we want to give them their space for now. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.